Tell me about yourself and about your family. Why do you want to do BSc IT? Ever learned programming?
No, sir.
No. How do you come to know about Simich? And why you have decided for a BSc IT? You don't have any interest in his business? Tell me about your schooling, from where you have done your schooling. Good, Dev, I'm happy with your research. Out of every 5 class, you were absent in 1 class. Why so? If you miss even 1 class in programming, do you think you would be able to understand next class onwards? जो लोग IIT में रहते हैं वो एब्सेंट करते हैं, वहाँ कोई स्कोप एब्सेंटिज्म का नहीं है. Tell me about yourself and about your family.
My name is Dev Kumar. I am from Darbhanga. I have done my 10th from DAV Public School, Darbhanga, and 12th from with PCM subject from Bihar board. I have got 80.4% in 10th and got 81.4% in 12th. My hobby is playing cricket.
Okay. Why do you want to do BSc IT?
Sir, during the class 10th, I was very interested in information technology things, and I was quite searching about on YouTube about that courses.
Okay. Have you ever learned programming?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay. How do you come to know about Simich?
Sir, from YouTube videos,
Okay.
random videos, scrolling.
And why you have decided for a BSc IT?
Sir, it is a market ready job. Sir, job related course.
All courses are good. The way you are pursuing it, the way you are preparing yourself and you are practicing, that makes all the difference. Tell me about your family.
Sir, my father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife and also supported in business.
What kind of business your father is running?
Sir, puja store.
Okay. You don't have any interest in his business?
Not really, sir.
Okay. Tell me about your schooling, from where you have done your schooling.
Sir, from DAV Public School, Salamanpur, Darbhanga.
In Darbhanga.
Yes, sir.
Good. Good, Dev. I'm happy with your research. Okay. Good. You can wait outside.
Okay, sir. 80% approx.
That means out of every 5 class, you were absent in 1 class.
Yes.
Why so?
सर ड्यू टू ये बिजनेस सर दुकान पे जाना पड़ता है कभी सर पूजा रिलेटेड शुरू हो जाता है.
But then
सर फादर तब तक ठीक नहीं रहते.
if you miss even 1 class in programming, do you think you would be able to understand next class onwards?
It's a bit difficult, but
नहीं, समझ ही नहीं पाओगे.
sir try to not.
प्रोग्रामिंग में, IT में अगर एक क्लास भी छूट गया तो उस क्लास में जो पढ़ाई हुई थी तो सुने ही नहीं. अगली क्लास में तुमको समझ भी नहीं आएगा कि आखिर चल क्या रहा है. समझ रहे हो? एकदम अगर एडमिशन तुमको अलाउड होता है तो तुम्हारा अटेंडेंस 100% होना चाहिए, तभी तुम कमाल कर सकते हो. नहीं तो तुमको लगेगा कि हमको समझ में ही नहीं आता, या तो तुमको सब्जेक्ट हार्ड लगेगा या तुमको लगेगा कि हम कमज़ोर हैं. टीचर को तो ख़राब बोल नहीं सकते क्योंकि बाकी बच्चा समझ जाएगा. समझ रहे हो? अटेंडेंस बहुत ज़रूरी है. जो लोग IIT में रहते हैं वो एब्सेंट करते हैं, वहाँ कोई स्कोप एब्सेंटिज्म का नहीं है. इसीलिए रिजल्ट है. पूरा माहौल ऐसा होता है कि रिजल्ट आ जाता है. ठीक है. सिस्टम से रिजल्ट आता है. ठीक है. सिस्टम के बाहर रहोगे कोई फ़ायदा.
मेरा फ्रेंड गया तो बता रहा था सिस्टम बहुत अच्छा है.
ठीक है.